Top of the morning to you lads, and welcome back to another video, guys. So as you can clearly tell by the title of this video, some things are gonna happen like right now. Anyway, so before I get this video started, guys, go ahead and like, subscribe for more videos like this. And if you want me to do a follow-up video on the COBB acessport V3, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let's get some likes on this video. I never ask for likes, like a set number of likes, but let's at least get 10 likes. Can I get 10 likes, please? 10. That's not hard to ask. I bought this COBB acessport V3 off of a guy off of Facebook. Big shout out to you. But he says it's unmarried, so we're gonna go ahead and check and see if it's unmarried or not. But yeah, I heard it actually gives you some kind of gains. If you guys have been keeping up with the Mustang, I do have a K&N drop-in filter, which is less restrictive. I do have a custom exhaust, which is less restrictive. And that's honestly basically it from all the performance mods. But let's go ahead and get into the video. Turbo, roll the intro. Alright, well, first thing you gotta do is gonna have to pop your hood, and you're gonna have to, because it does say it takes about 30 minutes for it to like load and everything. So pop your hood, go ahead and get a battery charger, hook it up to the battery, because if you do not do that, the car would lock up if the car turns off mid, like, you know, upload of the tunes and of the acessport itself. So I already popped the hood. Let's go ahead and hook up the battery charger, and I will be right back. Okay, so the battery charger is hooked up to the car. You can see the hood is on right there. So this is the acessport that I bought off of Facebook Marketplace. I did pay for this for $230 plus shipping, because he actually lives Northern California. But here is the COBB acessport right here. He says it's brand new. It looks pretty brand new. The reason why it's all scratched up like around here is just because this is the protective film that goes over it. So yeah, doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it. I'm a little mad that there is no like the cover plates. I'm just gonna have to go out and buy them then. But basically your button layout is this is the center one is okay. This is top. This is bottom. This is back. So that's pretty much set in stone. So what we're gonna do, gonna go ahead and plug this into here, into the bottom here. Oh, and there's no like mounting point, so I'm gonna have to go out and buy that too. Or I can just make one. I don't know. My buddy he has a 3D printer, so I'll probably just ask him to print me up one. On the side here, if you ever do get any more tunes from another company, you will have to put a micro USB into here, into your laptop, and you know, do that whole doohickey. But I am super new to tuning. I am super new to acessports. I am super new to, you know, some of the stuff that I've been doing lately, like the tires and rims and stuff like that. So this is very new to me. So let's go ahead and do it. And I'm gonna be having a video of exactly how to do it again, because I've watched literally 100,000 videos of how to do this. So let's go ahead and dive down and look at this. Okay guys, so just literally watched like 4 or 5 videos on how to do this properly. If you guys do not know where your OBD2 sensor is, you grab this right here, and it is right next to your hood latch, right under here. So you're gonna plug this bad boy in right here, if I can find it. Oh, it's size specific, so I'm doing this kind of blind, so there we go. Plug that in, and your acessport is turning on. Hope you guys can see that. It just basically tells you what your up, down menu, everything is like that. You press OK. go to install, but if you go down, it says troubleshooting, everything like that. You can clear codes, even if it's not married to your vehicle, everything like that. Sorry that there is a glare, but you can do all that. So you're going to go up and you go to install. Verify that the car is on the on position, so you're going to just click the button once. 2017 manual transmission. It's going to show the information on your vehicle. It's going to press yes. Please confirm that your vehicle matches identification, USDM, manual transmission. Press OK. So basically it has a bunch of stages: anti-theft, stage 0, 91, which is stage 1, which we're in the West Coast. Stage 2. There's a stage 2. What? Stage 2, 95, or 91. I think we're going to go stage 1 for now with 91 octane. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. It says recommend adding a battery charger, which we already did. Press OK. Backup factory data, yes. This part's going to take a while, so it's just saving the stock map to your COBB access port. This part's going to take a while, so we'll be back in a second. Alright, we are at 99% guys on this reflash. So basically almost done. It's at 100% now. You guys cannot see that. I am so sorry. But now it says, please wait while we are access port generates vehicle data. It's going to take a minute too. So recommended, my buddy was telling me, and I've been seeing on everywhere else. It says to basically drive the do not turn off vehicle access port. See, now it's loading the stage 1. It says basically drive it for about 50 miles. Don't, get on it and think you have instant horsepower. It has to really relearn the tune. So honestly, I'm like shaking right now because like this is something that I don't ever dive down into by myself. But I got the access port yesterday. If you guys been following me on Instagram, you guys would have seen that I've been putting out a lot of, like, not hints, but I've been telling you guys to guess on what I got for the car. And it's here. This is it. This is the COBB access port V3. Yeah, I'm super excited. It's at 24% right now. So as soon as it gets closer, I will definitely be letting you guys know. Once again, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, please go ahead and like, subscribe. And I will be doing a lot of tests with this new tune. There is a stage 2, but I don't know what I really need to support that stage 2. Like I said, all I have is my custom exhaust, and all I have is my drop-in filter. I do not have a bigger intercooler. I do not have a intake. So when I do get those items, I will be going to the stage 2 also. So that is in the near future. Probably not anytime soon, just because I buy all my parts myself, and it takes a long time to save up for those modifications. So yeah, it's at 45% right now. I don't even know where I'm going to mount this thing at all. I will go, if you guys want, I can go through all the features of the V3 later on in another video, if you guys like a more detailed video of COBB. Not a sponsored video. This is just me doing this on my own. It'd be nice to work with a tuning company or a company to send me a custom tune. That would be great. But 57% so far now. But it's going. I'll catch up with you guys in a second. Okay, we are at 83% now. Honestly, it didn't take too long since I turned off the camera from the last slide. But once again, guys, I am not a professional tuner. I do not, do this often. So this is very new to me. So anybody who knows about tuning and everything like that, please go ahead and comment down below of some good tuners or some other things that I can do to the car to get a little bit more power. So we're at 90. Wow, you guys cannot see that whatsoever. Let me zoom in here. So we are at 94%, 95. This is like real time. This is not sped up or anything. Boop, 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 boop. 97, 98, 99. Come on, 99, 100. Boom, 100. All right. It's doing all kinds of things right now. Lights are flashing. All right, it says successfully cleared DTC. Please turn ignition key to off, position to complete. So turn off the ignition and everything is done. Press continue. Installation is successful. Please turn off ignition key position for at least 15 seconds before starting the vehicle. So it is off. I'm going to wait a little bit longer than 15 seconds. I'm going to press continue here. Remember to connect the acessport manager for new features. Okay, so now we have all kinds of different stuff like gauges, performance, troubleshooting, tune, because there is more than one tune on here. Sorry, you guys cannot see that. And then uninstall. We're not going to uninstall because we just did that, or just installed it. So gauges, you can literally go through different gauges. Oh, connect my vehicle. So it's been past 15 seconds. So go ahead and turn on the car. We have our shift light right here. We have all kinds of different other features. But today's video was just the install today. Like I said, if you guys want to see more features that are on the acessport, go ahead and drop a like. Let's see if we can get 10 likes, like I said earlier. If we can get 10 likes, I will go ahead and do a full detailed video on the gauges and everything else that is on the acessport. With the car, I'm going to go ahead and take this thing for a spin for a little while because I don't really have to be here at work because I'm here at the shop for another couple hours. So I'm going to go ahead and drive around and see what this thing can do. And I will do a detailed video on the power gains, if I feel any kind of power gains with the V3. With all that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this COBB acessport being applied to my 2017 Mustang EcoBoost with a manual transmission. Light mods, like I said. With all that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, please subscribe, everything else like that. Stay focused, guys. Ooh, I'm too zoomed in. Stay focused, guys. Be safe. And I'm out of here, guys. Peace out.